Hi, I'm Natalie from Gen Edge Consulting, and today I want to quickly show you how you can create slides with Beautiful AI. For me, creating slides is incredibly difficult. I always know what I want to say, but I do not know how to have the layout of the slides really showcase what's in my head. And so I have found Beautiful AI a great way to bring those layouts that I wouldn't have necessarily thought of right out in my slides pretty quickly. So to get started, you create a presentation. You can choose any of the themes that are built in, or you can import from any of the slide decks that you already have. Do note that when you do import a slide deck, it's really just taking the colors. So I found that it hasn't brought the layouts from my Gen Edge deck, but it does have the colors there and available to me. So once you choose the theme and really the color set that you want to go with, you can go to this designer bot AI, and this is where it can create that outline, that framework for a deck for you. So for this demo, I have taken and shortened an upcoming LinkedIn post that I'm working on around the best way to get started with AI for marketers. So I crafted a prompt that takes those three things and just puts a shell around it saying that, this is a presentation to marketers who haven't gotten started with AI and want to get started. And then I outline my three tips. So here, I'll just paste that in here and I will click generate presentation. This does take probably 45 seconds to a minute. So I will be back with you when the deck is created. Okay, the deck is created, and here is where you can have a look at what all of the slides look like and everything that it created. You can see that it not only has the outline, has the tips that I outlined in the prompt, it added some additional content that it thought might be helpful. So let's dive into just a couple of the slides so you can see what's possible. Here, you can add a stock image very easily. Let's pick the first one just to make this easy. There you go. As you go through the slides, one of the things that I also think is pretty great is that ability to add an item if it didn't get exactly what you wanted correctly. The reason why I love this is that it redoes all of the spacing for you. So as you add items and it needs to adjust, it will actually move the slides around so that it has that best look and feel based on the amount of items that you have. You continue to go through the slides. You can very easily edit the text, remove items if you wanted to remove one as well. It just becomes a very easy ability, and it completely resets. And I think those are all really great capabilities, because I don't know about you, but I spend so much time making sure that everything is centered and adjusted correctly. So it's great to have that do it automatically for you. Another thing that this Beautiful AI can do is if you want to add a slide that wasn't part of what the AI originally built, they have all of these great layouts that you can scroll through to determine what's the best for the slide that you want to create. So let's, hypothetically say I want to add some bullet points. And here you'll see that it gives me a whole bunch of different options that I can choose from to add directly to my deck. So let's say instead of bullet points, I really like this idea of a checkbox idea. Here are some great things to do. Here are some not great things to do. And it automatically creates that slide for me. So I can come in here. I can change out the image. I can edit the text. I can add or subtract items. All of this making it really easy for me to have a nice, well-formatted deck. Beyond that, when I want to be complete with this, I can export the presentation. And if I export, I can do it to PowerPoint, Google Slides. For me, Google Slides is my preferred mechanism. So I will export it here. What I will tell you is it does take a couple of minutes. This is not instant. It has to do a lot of reformatting. But what's really great is it will automatically pop up into your Google Slides when it's done. So I will be back in a moment when it's available in Google Slides. And there you have it. It's complete. Now I can open those slides in Google Slides, and all of the content that I did create through Beautiful AI is now available in the standard slides application that I use. There's going to be times you're going to have to make some edits. I also take these slides from Beautiful AI and I copy them and I actually paste them into my own template because that's important to me to make sure I get all the layouts and have the consistency there. But these do become slides that are now yours and you can edit as you see fit. So it's a really great way to get to good faster with an AI tool. Having been playing with Beautiful slide creation for the past couple of weeks, where I see a lot of value in it is being able to have a bunch of different layouts ready and available to me. I can take them, I can edit them, put my content in, and have a really professional looking deck in a fraction of the time that it would have taken me by myself. I did not find that the text that they created necessarily aligned with what I was looking to present. But quite frankly, that's my job. My job is the content. For them to be able to give me the layouts, the various color schemes already built out, the different just templates for graphs and bullets and whatever you need, and be able to just put my content in and have it adapt as I was building it. That is valuable to me, and that is a lot of time saved. So that is my assessment. And for those who are looking for that type of layout help, I think Beautiful AI is a great tool for that. It's just not going to bring you all of the text creation that you might be used to with a tool like ChatGPT, Claude, or Bard. Thank you for watching this episode of Supercharged by AI. Hopefully it was helpful. Follow me for additional tips and tricks on using AI to accomplish all of your goals in marketing. See you next time.